Hey there, welcome to the Tired AF Yoga series. If you are feeling tired AF, you are in the right place and you are definitely not alone. Every day this month, I'm sharing a really simple 10 to 15 minute practice to help you release tension, reset your nervous system, and remind your body what it's like to really relax. So if you're ready to relax, silence your notifications, put a calming oil into your diffuser, and let's help remind your nervous system what it means to actually relax. In today's practice, we are going to do twists. Twists are a great way to help you relax because that tension in your back can keep you feeling stressed. So we're going to do some of my very favorite twists. So if you're ready, let's relax together. So in today's video, you don't need any special props. And you might notice that I keep my socks on if I don't need to have my feet feel sticky on the mat. And that's because it keeps my feet warm and you want to stay warm. That will help your body relax. We're going to begin down on our backs. So coming down, and take a moment to use feeling your back on the floor to become aware of your back and just notice how it's feeling. You might feel like you're slightly higher on one side. You might actually feel the tension of a knot or two. And just take a couple of breaths and let yourself relax as much as you can. Soften. Now take your feet nice and wide. And we're going to do windshield wipers. You're going to take your knees over to the right, back through the center, and over to the left. So this is a very simple twist. You're just beginning to lift up that one hip, get a little twist in through the spine. And it warms up the hip joint too as well a little bit. Come back to the center. Now cross your right ankle over the left knee. Draw your left knee up and over the chest. Now if you can't get the foot all the way up, it is okay to be here. You can even gently press that knee out. This is a pretty big stretch bringing it up. If you want to go further, you can draw that knee in even more. Gently press your right knee away and just relax. Softening into the twist or into the stretch. We're not twisting yet. We are getting there though. Set the foot down. Keep the knee nice and wide, keeping it open. Take your arms out to the side. You can be in cactus or take the arms straight out. And then you're slowly going to take the legs side to side. So taking the knee down, coming back, taking the foot down. Just a nice, again, gentle twist. Beginning to warm up that lower back a little bit. Keep your shoulder blades down. And then come back through the middle. Cross your right leg all the way over. Bring your hips over to the right as you take your knees to the left. Both shoulders stay down. Feel your breath in your belly as you relax and release and soften. Come back up. Keep the right leg crossed over. You're going to take your hips over to the left and then bring your knees down to the right. And this twist is a nice twofer. You're getting the spine, right? But you're also getting into that outer hip, which is a hard area to get to. Just let gravity do the work here. You're softening and relaxing. Come back through the middle, uncross the legs, coming back through the middle. We'll do the other side. Cross the left ankle over the right knee and move into as deep a pose as you can get into comfortably. So you're feeling a gentle stretch, but it's not so intense you can't even breathe. Let yourself relax and soften into the stretch. And take your foot down. Keep the knee nice and wide. Arms go out to the side. Shoulder blades are down. And then go side to side. Knee goes down, and then the foot goes down. And you can go slower than I'm going if that feels better. Don't go faster though. Keep it nice and slow. This is meant to be a dynamic stretch. So we're moving, but giving the muscles time to release a little bit, warm up. Back through the middle. Cross the left leg all the way over the right leg. Bring your hips over to the right as you take your knees down to the left. And as best you can, let gravity do the work here, softening through the hip, feeling your breath in your belly. Softening through the waist too. You just feel that stretch all the way down the side body. Then come back up, bring your hips through the middle, over to the other side, and knees come down to the right. And again, soften as much as you can. Let gravity do the work here. Breathing into your belly. Relax. And then come back up. Uncross the legs, come back into the middle. All right, now straighten your left leg. Bring your hips over to the right just a bit. Rest your right foot on the inner thigh of the left leg. Take your left hand outside of the right knee and right arm out to the side, straight out or in cactus, either way. We're going to follow the breath here. What I want you to do is draw that right knee across till you just start to feel the stretch. Then you're going to breathe in, release a little bit. As you exhale, deepen. So breath by breath, we're going deeper into the stretch. Really gentle here. On the next exhale, hold the deep stretch and just soften your belly and your back as you breathe and let go. Come back up through the center. Bring your hips back through the middle. And we'll do the other side. Right leg goes out. Hips go over to the left. Rest the left foot on the inner thigh of the right leg. Right hand goes to outside the leg. Left arm goes out to the side. Keeping the left shoulder down. Now we're going to add a little bit. I want you to extend through your right leg. Make it nice and strong. And reach from that right leg up and out through the top of your head. Now let's follow the breath. You're going to breathe in. Exhale, going into your stretch. Relaxing. Inhale, coming out. Exhaling, going in. Take your time. Follow the pace of your breath, not the pace of mine. On your next exhale, hold. Hold that deeper stretch and just relax your belly and your back. Soften. And then release. Come on out. Bring your hips back through the middle. Give your knees a hug. And then roll over to one side. Push yourself up with your top hand and come on up to sitting. We're going to move on to all fours. You can keep your socks on though. Good news, right? So come up onto all fours. Walk your hands out. We're going to move into an extended child's. Press the palms into your mat as you lift your hips up and come back. Forehead down toward the floor and let your shoulders and your upper back move down toward the floor. Breathe into your belly. It's nice to stretch out the spine after all of those twists. And we're going to release into full child's pose. So I want you to draw your belly in, round all the way up as you come back into your child's pose, all the way down. Let yourself relax.
If this doesn't feel comfortable, you can lie on your back and draw your knees into your chest. We're going to hold for a few breaths here. Relax. All right, bring your hands up underneath your shoulders. Round up, shifting into a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and just take a couple of breaths. Feel your back. Feel your breath in your belly. And just notice how you feel. You know, every little bit makes a difference. Thanks for joining me. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a single Tired AF yoga practice. And you can hop on the mailing list below to get even more tips, affirmations, daily journal prompts, all sorts of good stuff. So grab that, and I will see you tomorrow.